Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell here with your January 2026 Double Shot Kit. So Happy New Year. We're so thankful for our subscribers and we're happy to have you along for the new year. So the Double Shot Kit comes with two brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to two recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team creates for you, so you can create right along with them. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file, and this month is this fun title, Fun Family and Memories, along with the puzzle pieces. So it's super cute, great way to document your family time. This month our two collections are Curiosities in Willow Grove from Vicki Booten and 49 and Market, and Cartabella Feels Like Home. So both of these have florals, they're gorgeous color schemes, lots of fun icons to scrapbook and document lots of different things. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is Curiosities in Willow Grove from 49th and Market. For the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of almond cream cardstock and 1 sheet of white. Your pattern paper is this starter paper 1, which has the beautiful florals. You can see all of the colors from this collection. It's just gorgeous. The back is a grid mixed media paper. Branding strip is the ticket strip. You're going to get starters paper 5, which is this framed page with the text print back here. And another grid in the peach. And then starters paper number 10, which is these 4x6 cut aparts. A lot of fun for journaling or just layering. You can even map photos with them. And the back is this gorgeous black and creamed floral print. Love the branding strip on this one too. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of embellishments. So you're going to get a 1/4 of a sheet of the starters paper 9. So this was the background paper of it, but then it has these 3x4 cut aparts. So you can get 1 of the 4 strips. You're also going to get 1/4 of the laser cuts. So this is the one that I received. Has some really fun icons. And then you're going to get an assortment of the ephemera and the journaling bits. So these embellishment packs are huge, so this is always a lot of fun. It's a wide variety of embellishments, but just know they'll all be a little bit different. So that is Curiosities in Willow Grove from 49th and Market. The second collection that we're going to look at is Feels Like Home from Cartabella. So you're going to start with 1 sheet of blush cardstock, 2 sheets of moss green. Your pattern paper is this beautiful floral bouquet with a play on stripes in the green. This paper is called Cottage Floral. I love this one. This is another one of that striped background, but this is a great background page because it already has your focal point, your embellishment starters. So just put some photos and journaling and tuck in some extra embellishments. The back is this cute pink gingham. That paper is called Floral Frame. And then we have a small floral print. And the back is a grid design in the golden butter color. This paper is called Vintage Roses. I just love the colors in this blue, green, and pink with the gold. And of course, flowers. Can't go wrong. Your embellishments is the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have lots and lots of icons of like furniture pieces from home, pillows, floral arrangements from your kitchen to your living room, a little bit of everything. This would also be great for heritage type memory keeping as well. Super cute. So that is Feels Like Home from Cartabella. One more look at your double shot kit. Don't forget to check out all the other kits available in the store. I'll have some reveal videos linked here at the end so you can check out our flavors of the month, which gives you 4 brand new collections. We also have the Shots of Life, which is a pocket page geared scrapbooking kit. We have card kits. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.